Hey there, it's Collette again with the science. So today we're going to be going outside and playing with some water. It's kind of like a water balloon, but you don't throw it. You just squirt people like a big squirt gun. So inside your bag for today, you are going to find a 12-inch piece of latex tubing. So if you are allergic to latex, you won't have this in your packet. If you did accidentally get one, don't touch it. So your tubing comes, it looks just like this. Each family, not each person, but each family is going to get one of these adapters. And I'll show you how to use this in just a minute. So you're going to take your tubing and you're going to tie a knot in the end. It's just a regular knot. Make a loop, stick your end through, pull it super duper tight, super tight. Now, you can leave your water weenie like this. And what you end up doing is you're going to put this on the end of your hose or your outside spigot and take this end, you will slide it over the end like this, push it on really tight, and then you're gonna hold on to it really tight. You're gonna turn this valve very slowly and it's gonna start to fill up with water. When it is full, you're going to turn that valve back off. You're gonna grab your water weenie, pinch it really tight right here like this, and you're going to pull it off. Your water weenie will have stretched. It's going to be a little bit longer. Now you just take this and you aim it at somebody who's playing the game with you, open it up, and let the water fly. There's a second option you can do with your water weenie. If you would like, you can take the end of a ballpoint pen and you just jam it down in that end. And then this one, you stick in the end, the hole right here. You're gonna push that in really, really tight as you open that valve and fill up your water weenie. Then you're going to turn the water off, and as you take this out, you're gonna stick your thumb over the end like this, and that will keep the water from coming out. Same thing, you're going to aim that at a person playing the game with you and let it fly.